Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have created this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do like it, please give this video a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, continue watching. So I'm going to conceal my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. To set my eyes, I'll be taking the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Crew. Going with my going with my beauty blender, blend it all in. I'm going to conceal with my Tarte under my eyes. I really want to try Jeffree Star's new concealer. I'm not too sure what shade I'll be in. That's why I haven't tried it yet. Don't know if I'll be like a C6 or even like a C5. I'm not too sure. If you guys have tried it, let me know. If you're like a similar tone, skin tone shade to me, because I really want to try it. Going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I also want to try Jeffree's new translucent powder too. Powder, I'll be taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC25. For eyebrows, I'm going to be taking the GimMe Brow by Benefit. Now this is me, the little one, so I can just see if I like it or not. And it's a brow volumizing fiber gel. So I just wanted to see what it was like. So, and I'm really actually liking this gel. It's working well with me. So I think I will be upgrading and getting the bigger version of it. I'm not too sure what happened there, but I just did my eyebrows. So for contour, I'm going to be taking the KKW Beauty in the light palette, and I'll be taking her brush as well. For blush, I'll be taking the Galifornia by Benefit Cosmetics. For highlight, I'll be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amerzy highlighter. don't know if that's coming up on camera, but it's so pretty. I love this highlighter. So for eyeshadow, I'll be taking the KKW Beauty and Mario palette. That's what it looks like. First shade I'll be taking is Miami, this brown. So I'll be putting that in my crease. So how's everybody been? How was your Easter? I have been really busy and I haven't been filming because I've been so busy over Easter. I celebrate Easter twice because of Greek Easter as well, which was a week later. And let me tell you, there was a lot of food for those both Easters. It was intense. But I can't complain because I love my food. If you don't know me already, I love food. That's the second thing I love. First thing is makeup, obviously. The next shade I'll be taking is Albania, which is this. Ready shade. See how pretty that shade is, and it's a really, really pigmented shade as well. The next shade I'll be going into is Loyalty, this shade. The next shade I'll be taking is Libra, this blue, and I'll just be putting that all over my lid. This blue shade does have a little bit of fallout to it. So my camera died, but I ended up doing my other eye, and I found that it worked better applying it with my finger rather than like a brush. But that's what it looks like anyway for now. I love this blue, it's so pretty. My bottom lashes, I'll be taking Miami and I'll be taking Albania. So I'm going to be taking that Libra shade and I'll just be putting it along my lower lash line, but not all the way. You'll see what I'll be doing. And for my inner corner highlighter, I'll be taking, where is it? 2008. This is an intense color and I love it. I'm really loving this look, it's so pretty. I love this blue. I'm going to be doing eyeliner, so I'm going to be taking Roller Lash by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to do that off camera, so I will be right back. So I'll be taking Roller Lash by Benefit to do my lashes, and then taking Olivia, which is new from Huda Beauty, and I'll be putting my lashes on off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on. They're so pretty. These are the new Huda Beauty Olivia, and they're really pretty. I'm really loving this. The inner corner highlighter, I just cannot right now. It is just so pigmented. Anyway, for lipstick, I'll be taking the MAC liquid lipstick, and this is Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Burnt Spice. It is. Setting spray, I'll be taking the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. So this is my finished look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!